Good morning! Today's video submission is going to be primarily about the Agni. The Agni, as we have learned, is the digestive fire according to the Ayurvedic perspective. And whenever we look at our pulse, we can sense a lot intuitively as well as with certain tools about the Agni itself. Primarily, whenever we look at the pulse in the Pitta finger, which if we recall is the middle finger, we're going to be able to feel Pachaka Pitta. Pachaka Pitta is associated with Jatar Agni. And Jatar Agni is the primary Agni. It is the space where food first meets the Agni of the body, and so first meets this transformative intelligence within the physiology. And we can assess Pachaka Pitta from what we're feeling in that first quarter of our Pitta finger. So whenever we feel the pulse, we can actually feel the qualities, the gunas, which are associated with Pachaka Pitta. So this is going to be able to tell us then how our Agni is functioning, whether we feel strength or we feel a block. And a lot of these assessments are going to come from the intuitive intelligence of our awareness. So based on the qualities of the Agni, we're going to be able to assess the level of balance, the Vrikriti, which is imbalance, or the state of balance of the physiology. Because based on the Agni, based on the digestive flame, is going to tell a reader of the pulse how the digestive fire is functioning. And this is going to dictate then how well we're able to digest foods. And this is going to determine whether or not we experience ajirn, which is indigestion. And indigestion is basically a symptom of a disturbed Agni. And if we don't listen to the symptom of indigestion, of ajirn, then it's going to lead to further blockage. And this eventually creates ama, or undigested food, because a disturbed Agni is going to reduce the amount that we can digest our food. And then the indigested food literally blocks the shrotas, the channels of the body. And so this creates imbalance within the body. So all three of these are very, very connected by the source of Pachaka Pitta. And so by tuning into the pulse, we're able to assess in a very sophisticated manner how exactly our Agni feels, just based on the simplicity of listening in.